In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily erase or delete your Facebook account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. After that, tap at Menu. Then tap at Gear to open up Settings and Privacy, and then we need to open up Meta Account Center. To do that, tap where it says See More in Account Center. Then go to Personal Details, Account Ownership and Control, Deactivation or Deletion. That's where we need to choose our Facebook account, and on that step we need to select whether we would like to deactivate or delete our account. Deactivating your account is temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated, and your name and photos will be removed from most things you have shared. You will be able to continue using Messenger, and also you will be able in any time to reactivate your account. Deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information you have shared on Facebook. Your main profile, Messenger, and all of your messages will also be deleted. Select Delete your account and then tap at Continue. Continue again. On the next step, select any reason from that list and tap at Continue. Continue. On the next step, it will prompt you to deactivate your account instead of deletion. However, if you would like to permanently delete your account, you need to scroll down and tap at Continue. On the next step, enter your Facebook password and tap at Continue. And on that final step, all you have to do is just tap at Delete Account. Once you tap on it, your account will be deactivated for 30 days, and in that 30 days you will be able to recover your account simply by logging into that account. After 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. That's how you can easily erase your Facebook account.